We are in for some kind of ride, aren't we? Welcome to the channel. My name's Jennifer, and these are my takes. Hey, nice to see you here on my channel. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, welcome. And if you're coming back as one of my previous viewers, I'm so glad to see you again. Thanks for clicking on that link, the one that brought you here into this video. The one, you already know what it's about because you clicked on it. We're going to check out a video from a musical group I know nothing about. Oh, surprise. They're called Spangle. Spangle. You heard me right. So big shout out to Mo Spirits here in the Bay Area. He is a local distillery and he does small craft batches of custom spirits. You can check him out on Instagram. So Mo is the one who turned me on to Spangle. He's the one that recommended it for my channel and for us to check out together. So let's get into it, right? I mean, that graphic's pretty crazy, so I'm very excited. And I'm going to say just from the looks of it, it's right up my alley. Oh, someone's trying to get in touch with me, but we're going to ignore them for now because you're what's most important right now. Okay. So this musical piece of artwork we're going to check out is called Brain in a Fish Tank. And once again, it's from a musical group called Spangle. So let's get into it.
This is a story about a museum of consciousness.
Wow. We are in for some kind of ride, aren't we? Wow. All right, I need some more volume on this. Okay, let's get back to this. We're going to find out about this story. Something's happening.
Release the you that's inside me. The dance macabre can now begin. Stumble floating through the sound. Protective circles all around.
Okay, I'm going to reveal something about myself. I love EDM. I love dance music and I love EDM in particular. So this is a trip. I wish I had some more visuals. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to put up for visuals on screen for this video because I thought there was going to be a music video associated with this, not just the stagnant graphic, as cool as it is. But let's check out some more of this brain in a fish tank.
Break apart to build a new golden
what do you think of my chair dancing? I need some glow sticks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Mind blown. That was trippy. Trippy. That's the perfect word for what that was. Trippy. Trippy AF. Trippy. Trippy, trippy, trippy. Trippy and awesome. Oh my god, I wanted to dance. I wanted to dance. Oh my god, I wanted to dance. I love club music. I love EDM. I wanted to dance. I loved it. I loved it. I want to say thank you, Mo. Thank you, Mo. That was incredible. I want me to check it out more. But I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comments what you thought of Spangle and what you thought of this reaction video. Hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and share the video. If you like what I'm doing here, I want to keep doing this because I'm having a great time. Hopefully you're having a good time watching me have a good time. And until the next time you come back here to check out me having a good time, Peace and have a great day.